Good morning, Franklin High School. Today is Wednesday, and guess what? You're in class today.
Why?
Because there's no school Friday.
Oh, that's right.
So show up to class and do your work.
Good point.
Yep.
Okay, so moving on. The class of 2022 is having yet another fundraiser. They seem to be leading the league in terms of dine-out nights, and they have another one coming up on Monday. We're going to learn more about that from Logan, but hey, I know you've got some other class officers, Logan. Get them in the video too. You shouldn't have to carry all the weight.
I know about that.
The class of 2022 will be hosting a dining out night at the Foundry Row Panera on Monday, October 19th from 5 to 9 p.m. You can eat inside, eat outside, or carry out. You can even order online. Just be sure to use the Franklin code PRFUN and be sure to tell the cashier that you are supporting Franklin. We hope to see you there helping out the class of 2022.
I also like Panera Bread. You know what else I like? Showcasing special programs at Franklin High School. Everyone is encouraged to go to the virtual open house tomorrow, Thursday at 7 p.m. You can learn about graphic arts, the Teacher Academy of Maryland, Project Lead the Way, Biomed Science Program, Construction Design Management, and the JROTC program. Find the links on the franklinhs.bcps.org website and join the sessions to talk to our wonderful teachers. Whew, that was a lot of great programs we have here at Franklin.
Yes, we do. And you know what they made me think of? Camping. So you're going camping this weekend, I understand. Mr. Valentine was telling me about that. You're super excited for it?
Can't wait. Looking forward to bugs, the cold, and dirt. It's going to be really exciting. But I'm going to make sure I take a quick video to show everybody the experiences I'm having out there with my family this weekend.
I'm super excited to see that video next week.
Yeah.
Thank you. Okay, so we're going to close out today, but just remember that Thursday evening we have the virtual open house. Send all your middle school friends to watch that and participate. Thanks, everybody. Have a great day.